Raebareli, and I said which are the other important leaders who came into it. I said that Jinguri, Durgapal and Baba Ramchandra, they have called upon the Nehru ji. इसके बाद सिचुएशन क्या हुआ, 1921 आते आते their movement, because the situation is getting worse, अब ये सिचुएशन कैसा आ गया, then they started attacking on the markets, they started attacking on the some kind of other, I said the society, and then some kind of what is the money lenders and all. इसके वजह से situation become very much worse, and then अब ये Britishers को chance मिल गया, Britishers has got the chance to suppress it, and due to the suppression, I said that again you can be able to see then 1921 आते आते what happened, I said that they have been able to see, like I said, that their activity has been changed. Pattern of what is in a पहले movement कैसा था, they are doing something, I said that they have made in a committee and this kind of it, और landlord को tax नहीं देना, ऐसा situation उन्होंने create किया था. अब लेकिन कब तक ये 450 branches, how many branches? 450 branches. How many days they can be stopped themselves for such kind of situation? Then I said that 1918 First World War has been finished, and that food prices in the everywhere it is in a hike. Therefore, they started what is in a also attacking here and there, looting and all. So I said that looting the bazaars and houses and classes with the polices, and then major center what I said that Raebareli, Sultanpur, Faizabad, and iske baad turat British officials become active and they suppress this. I said that UP Kisan Sabha. Again I said that UP Kisan Sabha. If I talk about in 1918, if I am talking about after the 1857 revolt, what has been happened? After 1857 revolt, I said that talukdars, jamindars and all, they have been given the land there, and then on Manmani level, that on their own level, on their view, they have, I said that increase the rent, they started doing bedakli, summary eviction, they started taking illegal levies, and they started doing, I said that also forced labor, and then different kind of situation has been increased in the what is with the farmers, and then also one it is in a hurry and begar. One you can, the word it is, you can be able to see that unpaid labor also there, and उनको भी problem दबाया जा रहा था कि तुमने पैसा लिया था and then you have to work on my land without paying anything. Clear? तो इसके against में then I said that जितने भी activist थे, कौन से non cooperation वाले and the खिलाफत वाले, yes, to some extent it is not completely involved. Some kind of activist come here, and then first who is the person who come to make it to establish this UP Kisan Sabha? Huh? Who has established? Huh? Who helped later on, matlab? And Ramchandra. And then I have said that UP Kisan Sabha, Gauri Shankar Mishra. I said that Indra Narayan Dwivedi, and then Madan Mohan Malviya. These are the, I said that the people, they come into the play role, they play their role. I said that, and then home rule activist, and along with this they have started, and then the later on then prominent leaders including Jinguri Singh, Durgapal Singh and Baba Ramchandra, they called upon, I said that Nehru to visit these villages, and during this visit Nehru developed the close contacts with the villagers. और यहाँ से थोड़ा सा देखा जाए तो I have said earlier, I said that socialism kind of thought, Nehru has slowly and slowly adopted socialism kind of thought. It is not the one way that it is suddenly he start. And I talked about, I said that in the 1928 the period, I said that socialism has been grown, और इसी समय आप लोग देखोगे इस सोशलिज्म की ग्रोथ की वजह से कि HSRA जो था हिंदुस्तान सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिकन आर्मी। तो नेहरू जी का जो सोशलिस्ट अप्रोच इंक्रीज हो रहा था, इसीलिए चंद्रशेखर आजाद ने क्या बनाया था, हिंदुस्तान सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिकन आर्मी और एसोसिएशन यू कैन आल्सो से। सो आई सेड दैट अब इन्होंने क्या बोला कि आपको किसानों को क्या बोला, यू डू नॉट डू, आप पहली बात तो हरी एंड बेगारी मत करो, मतलब अनपेड लेबर आप मत करो। और यदि आपको बोला जाए, बेदखल कर दिया गया, फिर भी आपको लैंड पे बोला जा रहा है, यू हैव टू टिल, डू नॉट टिल द लैंड, एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू शो योर रिफ्यूजल कि मैं आपके अगेंस्ट खड़ा हुआ हूं। यस, एंड देन बायकॉट एवरीथिंग, बट वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट व्हाट द पंचायत इज सेइंग। इफ द पंचायत विल से, वील हैव टू एक्सेप्ट। लेकिन फाइनली चलो ये सब चीज चल रहे थे, लेकिन द तालुकदार, जमींदार, दे डिड नॉट accepted, you know, that they are the my bap of the whole villages, and finally it has not been. Finally in the Sultanpur, Raebareli and Faizabad district of UP, in the Awadh region, major region, then the illegal activities has been started by the, I said that this UP Kisan Sabha followers, and then started looting and all, and then attacking on the rich people and the money lenders and all. Now the BDCs come into their main role, and they what? Suppressed it. Understood it? Next one I said that Madari Pasi, and then I said that Eka movement. Eka, what is the meaning of Eka? Unity. Eka movement, I said that 1921 Eka movement, और इसी समय आपको पता होगा कि I said that Congress is running their non-cooperation movement. Another one who is there? I said that Khilafat movement, Khilafat leaders are also there, and then also there is a Madari Pasi, or they have started, I said that they have started Eka movement, unity, and everyone should be there, every religion should be together against the, I said that land revenue, generally the zamindars, and they used to, I said, and it is in northwest of Awadh, थोड़ा सा इधर, यहाँ पे नहीं, थोड़ा सा it should be like this. यहाँ पे I said that यहाँ पे लखीमपुर, खेरी, and then बहराइच, सीतापुर, हरदोई, यहाँ पे हरदोई कानपुर के पास है, अंडरस्टूड? हाँ, लखनऊ के पास, अरे कानपुर लखनऊ के पास ही है यार, कहीं पे नहीं, उन्नाव, हरदोई सब वहीं पे है, ठीक है? मेरे लिए तो मैं दूसरे एंगल से देखता हूँ, तुम लखनऊ के एंगल से देखते हो, मैं और दूसरे एंगल से देखता हूँ। यहाँ पे सीतापुर, बहराइच, सीता मतलब यहाँ पे आपको लखन जी ने सीता को बाहर भगा ले गए, लखन जी ने सीता को, मैं तो याद रखता हूँ सारा, लखीमपुर, सीतापुर, बहराइच, और हर जगह पे छोटा भाई लखनपुर जो है वो सीता को भगा रहा है, और हर दो घर में ऐसा दिखता है। तो मैं तो उसको हर दो यहाँ देखूंगा ना, तुम यहाँ देखो, यहाँ पे मैं तो दिखता है कानपुर है, यहाँ पे लखनऊ है, कानपुर, उन्नाव एंड लखनऊ, अंडरस्टूड? सो आई सेड दैट which are the important regions for the Eka movement. I said that northwest of Awadh, जो boundary of Awadh, western boundary of northwestern boundary of Awadh, यहाँ पे होना चाहिए, this is Awadh, understood? Or in this region I said that this Eka movement has been started after the failure of, just after the failure of which one? UP Kisan Sabha, understood? In 1921 में that UP Kisan Sabha has lost its importance, understood? Because उनका pattern of thinking has been changed. So I said that यहाँ पे 1921 में in this region Eka movement has been started. इनका main था कि there is an increase in the land tax by 50%. इतना क्यों बढ़ा दिए भाई? लैंड टैक्स को कितना बढ़ाया गया? 50%. और जितने भी तालुकदार, जमींदार, ठेकेदार, they are also suppressing. So it was against the land tax increase of 50%, and then against the I said what? Suppression and oppression. And then who was the leader of it? Madari Pasi. तो simply इन्होंने ये चीज एका मूवमेंट को बोले कि we should be get together. We should be what? Get together. No one will till the land. They will have to refuse that, and somebody will say that Bedakali, I will not go away. Means several things it has been said that I said that I said if somebody is making it a evict, do not leave it. Do not pay the hari and what? Begar. Do not pay unpaid labor, forced labor. Do not go for it. And then, और कभी help criminals का नहीं करें, पंचायत के decision को माने. And then I said pay only the rent which has been given by the government. Do not high rent. और आपको पता है कि अवध is coming under the ठेकेदार्स after the 1857. So उन्होंने बोला कि हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll give the rent which is recorded. Will give, I'll not go for doing in a hurry and begar, and I'm not going to leave the land after बेदखली, जो same चीज वहां पे है. And then, but we'll also accept the point of view where the panchayat is talking. Understood? So it was, and I said that this grassroots leadership of Mandari Pasi and other low caste leaders are there. By March 1922, the British and then other separation with the help of Jamindar and the British separation, this has been what brought to an end. So 1918 में कौन सा start हुआ? यूपी किसान सभा. It has come to an end by 1921. 1921 में which movement started? Eka movement, and it was what is the main job? What is the main portion? Unity symbol, unity of religion, unity of everyone. Everyone should come along with. I said that who are there? I said that Congress, Khilafat leaders and also some depressed class, lower class. Everyone is there. और इनका मेन मोटो था कि it is against the increase of land tax by 50% and then separation of the जमींदार, तालुकदार and ठेकेदार against this. और इन्होंने साफ शब्दों में under their unity they have said that कि हमें क्या करना है? All the farmers of this region, of the region of Bahraich, Sitapur, Lakhimpur and then Hardoi, in this region may we should do what? We should refuse the what? If the eviction and bedakli is there, I will be there. Do not do free में hari and begar. Do not do hari and begar. Understood it? And then pay the rent which is recorded rent. Understood? And then they have said that what the panchayat will decide, they will have to abide. These are the things which has been, but the talukdars, the jamindars with the help of Britishers slowly and slowly suppressed this movement by 1922. Understood? Next one it is coming. I said that All India Kisan Sabha, All India, ध्यान से देखिएगा इसके बाद जो क्वेश्चन रेज होगा, it is very much important. I said that All India Kisan Sabha. You know that Government of India Act came in 1935. Government of India Act came in 1935, and in the 1937 there was a major point is there that the Congress and the Muslim League, they are going to contest the election. And you know that out of 11 provinces of British provinces, 8 provinces Congress has won, and then 1937 it come into the what? Government. Perhaps आपको पता हो, I have discussed this thing in the initial. और ये 1937 में, इसका मतलब ऑल इंडिया किसान सभा में जो एजेंडा होगा कांग्रेस का, कैसा एजेंडा होगा? एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट रिलेटेड एजेंडा. And then major UP, that is in a united province. This UP is what kind of province? United province. तो लखनऊ में I said that first I said in the लखनऊ, और आपको कल मैंने बताया था कौन थे? ऑल इंडिया क्या है? सारे काम को कैसे लेते हैं? सहज ही लेते हैं. यस और नॉट? सहजानंद सरस्वती. और साथ में मिट्टी में हमेशा रंग खेलते रहते हैं. रंग हमारे यहाँ होली यदि देखा जाए, यदि लोग मिट्टी में एक दूसरे को, इसमें कोई ज़्यादा, यदि आप गांव की कभी होली खेलोगे ना, एंड इन द मिट्टी, वो सेफ है, कंपैरेटिवली सेफ. योर बॉडी विल आल्सो बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग. And instead of the colorful Holi, really I am telling you, I have played once when I was a kid. I have gone to the village area. उठा के लोग मिट्टी में डाल देते हैं, लो कचड़े में जाओ अंदर. So and everybody is playing with each other. और पानी भी आ रहा है तो जल्दी मिट्टी हट भी जाता है. And then as you know, color चढ़ जाने के बाद then you are removing the color, and color is also highly chemical. It's not herbal. It's not why I said that herbal. So हमने क्या बोला? I said that all India किसान सभा में सारे किसान जो हैं, कैसे ऑल इंडिया के किसान कैसे हैं? सहज ही लेते हैं रंग. So I said that under the presidency of, I said that Sahajanand Saraswati, and then there is a general secretary of, I said that Mr. N.G. रंगारंग खेलते हैं. Understood? And in the Lucknow, it has been started, and All India Kisan Congress Sabha has been formed. तो मेजर इट इज आई सेड दैट नॉट. इनका एक मीटिंग लखनऊ में हुआ था. अनदर मीटिंग आई सेड दैट बेलगांव डिस्ट्रिक्ट के पास फैजपुर में. कहाँ पे हुआ? बेलगांव बोल रहा हूँ, दैट इज इन बुल्धाना. आई सेड दैट दोनों बुल और बैल एक जैसे. सो बुल्धाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड देन बुल्धाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ आई सेड दैट नियर फैजपुर. And then in this region they have, I said that one meeting has been taken place. और ऑल इंडिया किसान सभा का जो एजेंडा था, मैनिफेस्टो था, ऑल इंडिया किसान सभा की जो पॉइंट थी, उन्होंने कांग्रेस ने अपनी मीटिंग में भी वही मैनिफेस्टो, वही इन्होंने क्या रखा, एजेंडा रखा, सो दैट दे कैन विन एंड इट कैन विन द फेवर ऑफ फार्मर्स. अंडरस्टूड? So, All India Kisan Sabha and the Congress held their sessions in the Fazpur in 1936. उसके लीडर और कांग्रेस ने 1936 में सेशन रखा टुगेदर. एंड देन कांग्रेस मैनिफेस्टो, स्पेशली द एग्रेरियन पॉलिसी. कांग्रेस का मैनिफेस्टो कैसा था उसमें इन्वॉल्व? एग्रेरियन पॉलिसी. समझ में आ गया वाई? दे वांट टू विन. एंड देन फॉर द 1927 प्रोविंशियल इलेक्शन वाज स्ट्रांगली इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय दिस ऑल इंडिया किसान सभा एजेंडा. So we have finished with, I said that peasant movement. Understood? So 1859, which movement was there?